Hello, and welcome back to tip 4 of our 5 top things that we want to do to be successful in math this semester. Number 4 is to make a schedule to balance your time and responsibilities each week. If you don't plan for something, it's not going to happen. I know sometimes we wake up every morning with the best intentions and we think of all the things mentally that we're going to do that day, but the end of the day comes and so many other things got in our way that we didn't accomplish a lot of the things we wanted to, and then it gets pushed and pushed and pushed. But I guarantee if you plan for it, it will happen. So when you plan for it, that means either have a physical planner where you write down, like this is my planner, this keeps track of my life, where you write down your responsibilities and everything that you want to accomplish, or have some type of online calendar or planner that sends you notifications so you can look at 1 week at a time and make sure that you get everything accomplished in the week that you want to accomplish. So there's a couple tools in Canvas that are going to help you. So let's take a look. So when you're in Canvas, the one tool I want you to get used to using is the calendar tool. So when you click on the calendar tool is really nice because it will color code all the different courses that you might be taking at MCC. And all the assignments that you have for each week will show up in that color on the calendar. So you can take a look at the week that's coming, and you might have your math class in green and your English class in pink and your science class in blue. I don't know. But you can see over the course of a week what you have due. And you can see some weeks might be heavier than others in terms of assignments. But when those assignment due dates are coming up, you also want to build time in your calendar to prepare for those assignments or to work on those assignments. So if you see a due date coming up, you want to backtrack and plan out the days and the hours when you're going to work on those assignments. So we even need to plan for study time and things like that. Even though it's not a scheduled class or a scheduled time and place you have to be to show up somewhere, you need to budget your own time and say, okay, from 2 o'clock to 4 o'clock every Tuesday and Thursday, I am going to be in the library working on my assignments, or whatever it is you need to do. So you want to plan that out on a calendar. Another great place to look to help budget your time and look at what's coming up for the week is the to-do list in Canvas. So when you're at the home screen in our Canvas course, you'll notice on the right-hand side, there is a to-do list. So it shows you in the short term, like what's coming up in the next few days or in the next week. And the nice thing about it is you can access the assignment right through that link. And then when you're done with that assignment, it'll either naturally fall off your to-do list, or if it doesn't, you can exit and literally cross it off your to-do list. So that's a nice feeling when you've accomplished something that was on your list of priorities, and then you can cross it off and say, I got it done. I got it done. So that's another place you can go to look at what you have coming. We will do an assignment this first week of class to kind of give you some more tips for balancing your time throughout the week and how to manage your time and to maximize the time you have, and to do the most important things you can with your time, and just make sure that we're not wasting time, so that by the end of the week, we really feel accomplished and like we are successful and ready for the next week to start. Okay, that was tip number 4. I hope you enjoyed the calendar tool, and I will see you in the next video for tip number 5.